How to personalize spatial audio on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, we scroll down and go down to the bottom and tap on Personalize Spatial Audio. Next, tap on Personalize Spatial Audio and then tap on the Continue button. And then we're going to need to start using the camera to start capture our face. So here's to position your iPhone in front of you so that your face is in the camera frame. So here, so tap on Start Capture. And we need to kind of like turn your head all the way to the left and then turn your head all the way to the right. Now, if it still does not work, that means you have to do it again. It could be because of the camera here is blocking. Alright, so once the camera has fully captured your position, your facial position, then you can tap on Done. And that's it. So here you are now using personalized spatial audio. So spatial audio is a technology that creates a three-dimensional sound experience, making it feel like sounds is coming from all around you. On iPhones, spatial audio is used to enhance the audio experience, particularly with headphones. So here is how the spatial audio works on the iPhone. So it uses head tracking. The iPhone tracks the position of your head to adjust the sound of field in real time. Secondly, it uses dynamic head tracking. So as you move your head, the sound stage shifts accordingly, creating a more immersive experience. And thirdly, it enhances sound quality. Now, the spatial audio can improve the clarity and detail of the audio, making it sound more realistic and engaging. So spatial audio can be used with a variety of content, including movies and TV shows, music, and games. So that's it. That is how you can personalize spatial audio on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.